How to change the vibration pattern on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sounds and haptics. Now here tap on haptics and here go back and tap on ringtone and then tap on haptics. Now from here you can change the vibration pattern, so you have different options. In standard section you can choose any option from these options, and if you want to set a custom vibration pattern then tap on create new vibration and then tap on the screen to create a new vibration. After creating a new vibration pattern, tap on save, then give a name, and after giving name tap on save. Now you can choose your custom vibration pattern. So that's how you can change the vibration pattern on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.